Hi buddies, I'm so glad to be back and it's time to explore some fascinating places, and I welcome you all to my channel George the Explorer. And without further ado, today we're going to explore one of the most vibrant and bustling suburban areas of Mumbai, Andheri, A-N-D-H-E-R-I, Andheri. I'm in Andheri already. Because if you have watched my previous videos, I mentioned that Mumbai suburban areas are divided into east and west, and this is the west side of Andheri. Andheri east is basically an industrial area. At the same time, west, this side, you get to see beautiful residential towers and other commercial establishments. Friends, today we're going to explore some very interesting areas in Andheri. Before heading to some other places, I'll tell you where. So please stay tuned, don't go away. Because right now I am at this place in Andheri called Lakshmi Business Plaza. Lakshmi Business Plaza. Yes, this was an industrial estate several years ago, and primarily known for its warehouses and various manufacturing units, but now evolved into a thriving hub for various offices, creative spaces, and so many other modern attractions. Now you get to see all these creative studios, shops and showrooms, various shops and showrooms here. And this is lighting, so many other studios and shops, and various creative workshops here. It's no longer industrial estate now. It's a very beautiful space. Nowadays you hardly get to see any warehouses or manufacturing units here. All these are various shops and showrooms, including home furnishing and decor, and various artist studios, designer studios, and artist workshops, and all these things are available here. No more warehouses and manufacturing units, and all these are various creative things you get to see here. All these are shops and showrooms, and of course shops and showrooms and various studios, creative studios, artist workshops, and designer studios, and like that. See, these are various shops selling home decor and furnishing, and so many other modern activities are happening here. And these are various other shops and showrooms. No more industrial activities happening. See various shops and showrooms here. Beautiful shops and showrooms selling decorative items, home decor. All these are. This one studio is there. Avinia Kunj. It's a studio, artist studio, designer studio, and there are several things like this. A showroom of artifacts, and there are so many showrooms like this here, and studios, workshops, and everything. Now there you can see Andheri linking road. Sorry, this is not a linking road, this is a new link road. New link road, Andheri West. This is new link road. And this is the Lakshmi Business Park we just explored, and facing the new linking road. This is the link road. And this new link road is a very popular area for shopping. So you get to see various malls and shops and showrooms here. It's a prime area for shopping in Andheri. As I told you, this is one of the main shopping areas in Andheri. You get to see several branded shops and showrooms here. And now we are at this mall called City Mall. This is one of the popular malls in Andheri, City Mall. There are several malls in Andheri. There's another mall just a few steps away called Infinity Mall. We're heading to that place, and there's one metro station over there next to the mall. It's called what is the name of the metro station? Okay, the metro station's name is Lower Oshiwara Metro Station. Next to this city mall, this Lower Oshiwara Metro Station. And apart from the various shopping options, this new linking road Andheri has emerged as a prime location for real estate development, reflecting the area's growing urban appeal and demand for modern living. The road is witnessing the rise of premium residential and commercial projects, making it a significant hub for real estate investment. You can see this is one of the several metro lines connecting Andheri with other suburban areas. The Infinity Mall, I told you, just a few steps away from City Mall. This is Infinity Mall. This is also popular. There are several malls in Andheri, and these are two of them, Infinity Mall and City Mall. This is Infinity Mall, and facing the new link road. This mall culture has become a defining feature of urban life in Mumbai and other major cities across India. With their sprawling spaces, modern architecture and diverse offerings, malls have evolved into more than just shopping destinations. They are now vibrant social hubs that cater to a variety of needs and interests. And now our next destination is Lokhandwala Complex. That's around the corner and is considered one of the upscale locations here. This is the way to the Lokhandwala. We're going to explore next Lokhandwala Complex and Lokhandwala Complex Market area. So that's so popular here in Andheri West, and this other side of this Infinity Mall, you can see various language films currently playing in the multiplex here. There's various languages including Hindi, English, Marathi, and so many other languages. And these are the latest films currently playing here in the multiplex. And now we're heading straight to Lokhandwala Complex. And we're going to explore the Lokhandwala market. As though Andheri West is so vibrant and one of the upmarket neighborhoods in Mumbai, this area is so polluted because of various construction activities happening every day. Yeah, wherever you go, you get to see some kind of construction happening here in Andheri West, and that's why this area is so polluted. Otherwise, it's very beautiful, very vibrant, and very developed area, Andheri West. Now we are heading to one of the prominent locations here in Andheri West, Lokhandwala Complex. We're going to explore this Lokhandwala market area. But first, before heading to the Lokhandwala area, I just ended this lane very next to the Infinity Mall to show you this high rises, residential high rises here. All these are residential towers next to the Infinity Mall area. It's a beautiful residential towers. All these are residential towers, and now we are heading to the Lokhandwala Complex area in Andheri West. All these construction activities contribute so much pollution in this area. At first, now I made to this Lokhandwala area of Andheri. Lokhandwala is considered one of the prominent and upscale residential areas in Andheri. Now I'm at Lokhandwala, Andheri. Now I'm going to enter the Lokhandwala marketplace. And I'm heading to the Lokhandwala market area. This is one of the prominent and upscale, upmarket residential areas in Andheri, Lokhandwala, Andheri. As I told you, there are several construction activities happening every day in Andheri. This is one of the metro line project, soon to be launched metro line project. See, now we are entering the Lokhandwala market in couple of minutes. Because one end of this road is blocked because of this construction, so I had to take another route to reach Lokhandwala. And now I had to reach Lokhandwala. It will take 2-3 more minutes, and I think all developments, all infrastructure developments come at a cost, right? Isn't it? And air pollution is at its peak level during construction, and our health is compromised. So we need to find a solution for this. What do you think? What is your take on this? What is your take on this? Please comment me. Okay. Purpose of finally made to Lokhandwala market. This is Lokhandwala market. It's a shoppers paradise, literally, offering everything from trendy fashions to street food. Everything is available here. Lokhandwala market is a bustling hub of activity that perfectly encapsulates the city's vibrant spirit. Known for its eclectic mix of shopping, dining and entertainment options, the market has become a go-to destination for locals and tourists alike. Its charm lies in its ability to cater to diverse tastes and preferences, offering something for everyone. This market is renowned for its extensive shopping options, from trendy apparel and accessories to home decor and electronics. The market is a treasure trove for bargain hunters and fashion enthusiasts. Boutique stores and street vendors coexist, creating a unique shopping experience. Shoppers can find the latest fashion trends at pocket-friendly prices, making it a favorite among college students and young professionals. The market is also a hotspot for ethnic wear, the shops offering beautifully crafted saris, kurtis, and jewelry. During festive seasons, the market transforms into a colorful spectacle, with stalls brimming with decorations, gifts, and traditional attire. And Lokhandwala market is also a haven for food lovers. The area boasts a wide range of eateries, from street food stalls to upscale cafes and restaurants. And this market is particularly popular for clothing and jewelry. There are a large number of clothing and jewelry shops in this area. And of course, this area is also known for its celebrity residence. It adds a touch of glamour. It's not uncommon to spot a television and film personalities shopping or dining in the area, adding to its attraction. Lokhandwala market truly comes alive during festivals like Diwali, Christmas and Ganesh Chaturthi. The streets are adorned with lights and decorations, and the air is filled with the buzz of festive cheer. Because I don't want to explore the entire stretch of like Lokhandwala market because it's a very huge market, very big one. So I'm sure, but here I'm sure you got an idea about this market. You'll get everything under the sun here, from clothing to jewelry to various types of electronic gadgets or even street food. Yes, it's also popular for street food, typical Mumbai street food, and also a varieties of restaurants option for you. And you'll get everything under the sun here, literally. And it's a very popular marketplace in Andheri. And okay, now our next destination is Versova. So we're gonna explore this Versova beach, and so our next destination is Versova beach and Versova fishing village. It's around 3 to 4 kilometers from here, approximately. So I'm gonna take a bus for rickshaw from here. Let me see. Okay, so let's go to Versova beach. Versova area, and the beach is popular there, of course. Versova beach is popular in Versova, so obviously we're gonna explore Versova beach. So I've been to that place before, but since already in Andheri, so let's go see this beautiful Versova beach. It's around 3 kilometers approximately from here. So okay, I'm at Versova now. I got a bus from the Lokhandwala marketplace. It's taking around 10 to 15 minutes by bus from Lokhandwala to Versova. It's too dark right now. It's not. I know it's not the right time to explore the beach. It's too dark now. Time is 7:20 p.m. It's very late. I should have come a little early, but anyway, I wanted to come to this place. That's why I'm here. Let's go explore a little bit of Warsaw now. Okay, let's go and see how the beach looks right now. First of all, I want to enter the beach. This is the entrance to the beach, Warsaw Beach, and I go straight. I'm gonna go straight. This is the pathway to the beach. I'm so crazy. I'm crazy that exploring beach. Exploring this beach at night. I'm really crazy. And I'm not sure whether I can see anything. Let's go and see, explore anyway. You can see this boat, I love Warsaw. And of course you can see this vendors selling sweet corns and various other snacks. It's a sweet corn, popular sweet corns, and these are various drinks, soft drinks, and lemon juice and like that. And here too, the sweet corn vendor and various other things for girls and ladies and imitation jewelry and all the stuffs and all, hairband and all these things here. And okay, hardly see. It's too dark, my dear friends. Hardly see anything here. The vibe is great. It's a horse cart. There's a horse guy out there. There's one horse out there. Oh my god.
Come sir, house ready?
नहीं भाई बहुत डार्क हो लेट हो गया.
Slowly, water side.
नहीं. And this is a view. Nothing else to see here. Oh my god. It's no point spending too much time here. You can see various snacks here. These are the typical beach snacks, I say. I don't know the names, but it's delicious, I think. Though it's pitch dark, very dark, nothing is visible on the beach. I love it. Because the vibe is wonderful, super. So now it's time to leave. So friends, this is Warsaw. Beautiful Warsaw. Wonderful Warsaw. The heart of Warsaw comes alive in its bustling lanes and eateries. Known for its vibrant nightlife, the area boasts a variety of restaurants, cafes and pubs. From cozy seaside shacks serving fresh seafood to chic lounges offering live music, Warsaw caters to every taste. And now I am at the bus stop, waiting for my return bus to Andheri railway station. I don't know how long to wait. Let's see. I finally got my bus. No place to sit. And anyway, I had to wait. I had to wait 10-15 minutes, and finally I could sit. But no place to sit. To take 20-25 minutes to reach Andheri station. Yes, I finally made it. I'm at the station. Andheri railway station, traveling using public transportation in a super crowded city like Mumbai is not job. It's not comfortable at all, but it's fun. So that's why I just want to explore everything in Mumbai. Now I'm at the station. I'm going to take a train from here, and that's all for today. I'm signing off. See you next Friday, 5:45 p.m. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much.